A team once built an entire boundary wall, perfectly straight, perfectly aligned, or at least that's what they thought. When the government rechecked the land, the wall was off by 1.8 meters. One small surveying error, one lawsuit, one destroyed project. That's the brutal truth of surveying and geomatics. Even a tiny mistake can cost millions. All lectures in this Civil Engineering Master Series are available on the Learning Studio, made for students who need clean, exam-ready explanations without wasting time. 1. What surveying actually is. Surveying is the science of determining the position, distance, height, and angles of points on Earth. Every project, highway, bridge, building, canal, begins and ends with surveying. If the survey is wrong, the structure will be wrong. Simple. For exams, surveying forms one of the highest scoring and most repeated sections in civil engineering. 2. Leveling, the heart of surveying. Leveling determines the difference in elevation between points, crucial for drainage, road slopes, canal beds, and foundation depths. You must know benchmarks, BM, backsight, BS, foresight, FS, HI method, rise and fall method. If you get these 5 words right, almost every leveling numerical becomes predictable. 3. Traversing, establishing the framework. Traversing gives the horizontal control for any project. 2 key methods. Closed traverse, used for boundaries, plots, roads. Open traverse, used for canals, pipelines, long routes. Concepts students must memorize: included angles, Bowditch correction, latitude, and departure. This topic appears in at least one long question in most exams. 4. Total station, the modern workhorse. A total station combines electronic theodolite, EDM, electronic distance measurement, microprocessor. With it, you can measure distance, angle, coordinates, and elevations instantly. Why is it important? Because 99% of today's construction sites use total stations, not manual theodolites. Understand these exam-friendly points, how it works, advantages, field procedure, accuracy versus conventional methods. 5. GPS and geomatics basics. Surveying is no longer just instruments, it's data science. Geomatics includes GPS, Global Positioning System, GIS, Geographic Information Systems, remote sensing, digital mapping. GPS basics you must know. Satellite-based positioning. Types of GPS surveys: static, kinematic, accuracy levels. Applications in highways, mapping, land records. This is where modern AI-powered surveying starts evolving. Why this topic matters. A wrong line on paper becomes a wrong structure in real life. Surveying ensures every building stands exactly where it should. No confusion, no overlap, no error. Understanding these fundamentals makes you a better civil engineer from day one. In the next lecture, we'll break down building construction, from site preparation to finishing. For more sharp, exam-focused lectures, follow the Learning Studio and be a part of the global education movement by sharing this series with your peers.